Hi everybody, this video is an unboxing video of a ferret toy, I guess you could say. Sorry about that, my cat's a little antsy to get in the box. Like normal. Okay. This is the toy. It's a rollabout ball where they can go in and out of all these little holes, and they could go in it too, probably. And since I'm getting a new ferret, this would be perfect toy for a ferret. So, yeah, that's about it. Bye!